Welcome back. There's a new business I'm going to introduce for you. Within the zero investment, you have to install just Markaz app from the Play Store, and then you have to sign up, and then you have to see like this. The page is currently present like this one. As you sign in, the page like this as in front of you. Here are different products available: women's dress, cosmetics, men unstage brands, women's unstage accessories and bedding. Each and everything is available here. You have to resell these products and earn money by in the form of profit. Like this, if you click orders, here no orders, delivered no orders, return no orders. So category, here you see the jewelry, cosmetics like this. Already I'm telling you, just if you click the jewelry, first one, if you select one jewelry, if you want to resell like this, you want to sell this one, like you have to take the screenshot of this, okay, and you can copy the detail, download the details, image and videos, download completed. Okay, like here the price is 1250, and if you place order, 1250 is wholesale price. You can add your profit like 50 rupees. No, the customer price 1425, then you have to place the order. For giving you example, go back, like this one jewelry, this the price is 780. You want to place the order, you have to put your profit. No, the price is 955, and then place the order. But first you have to show your product other people, then the people will ask you, you have to sell for them or place order for them. Now you have to copy the detail, download the detail, okay, share this. You want to share from this directly, you press the share button. So your details are pasted there. As the people contact you and they ask place order, you have to place order with an including your profit, and the profit is going to your wallet. You can take withdraw in the form of easy paisa or just cash. As you copy the details of the products, go to Facebook and paste the detail and attach the pictures and video and post on the Facebook. So through this way you can advertise your products, and the customer will contact you, and you will place the order and get the profits. Like this post you see on the Facebook, and as people wants contact you, so install the Markaz app in your mobile and sell the products on your profits. If you like this application, subscribe our channel. Thanks.